How to cancel Dashpass DoorDash subscription. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can cancel your Dashpass on DoorDash subscription. It's very easy. So all I have to do at first is of course make sure that you're logged into the account that you want the subscription to be canceled or you want the Dashpass to be canceled. Once you successfully logged in, you just need to access the account tab and then from account choose on manage Dashpass. From there, you will now have access into your Dashpass subscription. Below that, just choose on cancel membership, and then on the next page, you will be asked twice if you're gonna stay with Dashpass or cancel Dashpass. Choose on cancel, and then you need to share your reason for canceling Dashpass. Once you selected the preferred reason, that's the time that you are gonna be successful canceling the whole thing. So you will see a cancellation successful link or a pop out on your screen just to verify that the account was successfully canceled. And that is how you cancel a DashPass DoorDash subscription.